How to unmute Instagram notes. So all you have to do is go here directly to your Instagram application and just wait for it to load. So the next thing that you're gonna do is on the upper right here, you will see the messenger icon, right? Now, if you click on that, you will see these notes, your very own notes and your friend's note. So first is, since we want to unmute, first is we have to mute that one. So let's just mute notes here. Now, maybe you're wondering where can we unmute that Instagram notes. So what you're going to do is to go back here, and then on the bottom part, you will see five different options. Go to your profile. And then on the upper right, you'll see three dash lines. Click on that three dash lines and go to settings. Now, after clicking on settings, what you're gonna do next is you wanna go here to your privacy. Now, after clicking on your privacy, scroll all the way down up until you see the connections section. Now, click on the muted accounts here. And then here you will see all the muted accounts that you have actually added on. And then here you will see beside that person's name, tap on unmute and it will give you the three options here. And make sure to toggle off the mute notes here. Now, if you're done with that, let's just check here. You haven't muted anyone. Let's go back to our messenger. And as you can see, that person's note is back again. And basically, that's it. And if this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.